What's good, you guys? Today we got Maruchan's Yakisoba spicy chicken flavor. One thing I've noticed about these, they don't have any broth. By the end of its sitting and cooking, the water has been absorbed by the noodles, which is good, but then there's no broth. So yeah, but anyways, let's take a look. There. Yeah. Right away I can tell you, and I even put a little bit more water. That way it'll have some broth, but still managed to get most of it. Alrighty, guys, let's give it a shot. Spicy chicken. I can definitely taste the chicken in this. The noodles are juicy and just so good, so good. I remember the first Yakisoba bowl that I tried, which was the teriyaki one. I was so disappointed because there was no broth on that one, and the noodles were kind of chewy but stuck together because of the teriyaki. But this one, it's good. It's so good. Well, and this one, the noodles do tend to stick. Really, the first scoop I got wasn't as sticky, but the second one I just got, yeah, they're pretty sticky together. Wonder why. But I mean, they're good. I don't know about that. Definitely sticky. They definitely do stick together. But that's not stopping them from tasting any good, but the stickiness is just a bit overwhelming. Because by the time you get it in your mouth, it's like trying to swallow something that's dry. And then you don't have any juices to make it go down any easier. Well, the spice is kicking in. Yeah, the bottom ones seem to have more, obviously, but the bottom ones seem to have more juice to them. I don't know if you can see how moist they are. I don't even tell. But then if I get the top ones, yeah, you can't really feel on the camera, but the color and the texture is a little bit different. The texture on the top ones are colorful because of the spiciness, and the bottom ones are just kind of tannish, but wet, obviously, because of the broth is somewhat still in the bottom. Yeah, I would recommend it. It's very tasteful. The spiciness isn't so spicy. The noodles, pretty good. Just put a little bit extra water, and it'll be good. Because if you put the recommended amount, by the time it's done, it'll just be kind of dryish, wetish, kind of like sticky noodles. So that's one thing I tried this time, was adding a little bit more water to it. But other than that, I would totally recommend this soup. Not the teriyaki. Teriyaki one was too sweet and just too dry. But yeah, I would totally recommend this one. This is just so good. Alrighty guys, well, that's gonna be it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Give me any input on what you guys want to see, or any soup you guys think I should try. Other than that, hope all you guys have a wonderful day and a good weekend. Happy Christmas and Happy New Year's. Peace.